Oh, lion. Come quick and take all set them. What this boy? Come up the last mind. Tell them how to feel. And them how to feel. Remind me of it. Let's just have the demon. We have this guy. And the man is a and the ball of the treasure. Level. I like people that want to celebrate cartel freedom now. Give me this, please. It's a happy new year. We envision this moment a long time ago. You see all of the people that want to hold the faith and know that God is great. Say God is great. God is great. Happy new life. Them try to take your life and God give you a brand new one. Respect my brand new year. I mean, brand new life. Brand new success. You are phenomenal. Yes, sir. I remember when Ron Butler brought him. Yeah. And I said, this man is a lyrical genius. Enough producer, gal and boy, never believe us. And now, improve that he is the father. Dancehall Pharaoh. Member. Listen to me. And I don't want you to feel like you are taking nobody's throne. You built your home. Yes. Independently. The humble man, Ronya, will never sign to an international label and sell gold and silver for me no prison. A king has risen. Yo! And we learn from the best. Remember that. Yo, I'm so happy and elated today. I just want to say thanks, Jamaica, to give us the support, to support the youths them with talent. All of the people that believe in a faith and hope, it's the antidote to cope. Don't sell your soul. What Kartel get you right, and soul is the goal. See the man here? I hear them saying, the world boss. So, without further ado, father. Give me again. Look into my eyes. Tell me what to feel. Can you feel my pain? I'm not going to be. Give us another way. Things are really bad. The only friend I know is the friend I have. What's the killer giving to originality? What's my shot of your respect and the victim? Any girl looks at them, no big personality. Go up for me, no big up nationality. Working money, but we not go for vanity. Tell a massive man, go with that massively. When a man come, punch up. Man a bad man, so me no friend. Let's not be loud. We have a father. Do it you. We have a father. One bounty killer.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Chronic Law Company station of course and I say yo Skatta for AC mother because he make police hold on for him and Popcaan backstage for 3 hours. For what? For what? That don't make no sense to me. So till Kartel all have to take him mic and say, yo, Lego Popcaan. Like, me not understand them. Me really don't understand them. I don't know. My mind tell me say, Ling have something to do with it because I can't get it. Because if Skatta knows say the man them book for the show, why would you hold on to them? So maybe Ling, remember say Ling are ex-police and then maybe Ling have some ex-police and just call him and say, yo, hold on pan him this that. Because right now, I know say more artists did for perform after Tamale and I was so disappointed. I never did know, but I watched the show live and I was so upset. I mean, I can't tell I say, the police them say, Ray and them a hold on pan him and them. But anyway, listen to a Chronic Law and Popcaan officer then this Skatta and Joe straight up. Check this out.
Channel. No play the rhythm yet. We there suffer Vybz Kartel, me a talk straight. Me not there suffer some white boy and a rasta boy. Me a bad man, me not like people, my friend. Skatta behavior. Joe behavior about buckle yourself. We there for Vybz Kartel, we not there for Uno. Pussy. Play me rhythm.
No boy can't be sniper. I mean the
how do we expel man? We don't have no bumper class sense. You know.
Yeah, You know my friend.
All who respect the boss in a blood class stadium. Let me see some signal. Chuck.
Free up Popcaan.
Fresh drop.
People that want to see.
One copy down.
Peace officer, they run this stuff. We are black him off. Please and thanks, sir.
Free up Popcaan.
Give him a round like elephant.
One copy down.
Yeah!
Fresh drop.
Boy, you're bad man with a life people, my friend. Skatta me, man. We're there for Vybz Kartel, we're there for you.
Don't stop. All when me say fi slow down, make me ball, me nah give you no punch.
Me never know me woulda feel something so good. Shut the whole on.
No baby, me want have a baby, 'cause me want one daughter, we have one son.
Jesus have mercy, you see? With the foolishness again.
Me a forget coming like
We
Christmas.
shall live your win and
It coming like Christmas. On it, man.
don't panic, don't panic, make you feel like you are it.
Every day, in a video, scrub video, love.
Come down now, man. So much begging like una blind man. Dead in a long time, but the man gone from very life and a big man lion. You hungry, and maybe not tell you for your wife. Give me it one more time again.
Mash it up for the whole day there. Find the mountain up. Tie the mountain up. Action over mountain up.
Fresh drop.
Tell her what you feel, say.
Me have a broke your back, me say just like that.
That's how your mouth say.
Feel say your bad step in the house there. You can't manage it when me a turn and twist like a baby kite your boss way.
Just like that. Everybody knows, say. Empty barrel get nice in most, yeah.
You can see it there.
People, I'll try to find a video with Popcaan this Skatta, but we can't find it. But yo, I don't know why it could have possibly hold on by the man every 3 hours. That don't make sense to me. Like that don't make sense to me. But you guys can tell me what you think in the comment section. For now, this is it for now. Subscribe, leave a comment, share, and like the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.